Hello, and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on CPA Pilot, your go-to platform for enhancing productivity and ensuring accuracy in your tax-related tasks. My name is Bethany Walker. I am one of the tax support managers, and today we're diving deep into how CPA Pilot can streamline your workflow, help you stay compliant with tax laws, and provide accurate real-time assistance to meet all of your tax-related needs. Let's start by accessing the CPA Pilot platform. In order to do so, you will type cpapilot.com and it'll lead you to the main home page of the website. From there, you will log in using the credentials that were provided to you. Once logged in, it'll direct you to the My Account page. From here, you can click on the Open CPA Pilot app to launch the application and dive into its powerful features. Once inside the CPA Pilot app, you'll notice several key features designed to make your work easier. The main interface includes a query input box where you can type in your tax law questions using natural language. The responses will appear in the display section, often accompanied by relevant citations or links to additional resources. Before we proceed, it's crucial to address the importance of protecting client data when using CPA Pilot. To safeguard your client's privacy, never input personally identifiable information such as social security numbers, full names, addresses, or any other sensitive details into the query input box. CPA Pilot is designed to provide accurate and valuable information without requiring any PII. So always ensure that your queries are general and do not include any specific client information. Now that we've discussed the importance of protecting client data, let's move on to some of the other helpful features that CPA Pilot offers. One of these helpful features is the suggested prompts. This feature offers a series of example queries that can guide you in formulating your questions. In order to access this prompt library, you can either select this link right here that says View Sample Prompt Library, or you can navigate over to the megaphone icon and select that. These prompts are especially useful if you're unsure how to phrase a complex query or if you're exploring a new area of tax law. By clicking any of these suggested prompts, you can quickly get the information you need without having to type out the entire query. CPA Pilot also includes a history feature that keeps track of all your previous queries. This is incredibly useful if you need to revisit past questions or compare responses over time. Additionally, if you find a particular response especially helpful, you can bookmark the response by using the Favorites feature. You will just select this little star beside the chat and it'll place it in your favorites section right here. This allows you to save important answers for quick reference in the future, ensuring that you always have easy access to crucial information. Let's walk through a couple of scenarios together to see how CPA Pilot can assist you. First, we'll start with a simple query. Suppose you want to know the standard deduction for 2024. You can type in, what is the 2024 standard deduction? And within a few moments, CPA Pilot provides the exact amount along with a breakdown by filing status. Now, let's try something a little more complex. Imagine you need to understand how the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act impacts itemized deductions for mortgage interest on a primary residence in 2024. We can come up here and start a new chat, and we can type, how does the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act affect itemized deductions for mortgage interest in 2024? CPA Pilot will process this information, cross-reference multiple sources, and give you a detailed response including any relevant changes and their practical implications. Finally, let's tackle a scenario involving cross-jurisdictional tax issues. Suppose you're comparing capital gains tax treatment between California and federal law for 2024. You could type, what are the differences in capital gains tax treatment in California versus federal law in 2024? Once CPA Pilot processes that information, it will outline the federal rules, detail California's specific regulations, and highlight any significant differences. Beyond answering tax law questions, CPA Pilot can also assist with data entry in Drake software. If you're unsure where to enter specific tax information like rental income or retirement distributions, simply ask CPA Pilot. For instance, you could type, where do I enter rental income in Drake software? CPA Pilot will process this information and give you detailed instructions on which form or schedule to use and where to input the data. It pulls this information directly from the Drake Knowledge Base database, ensuring you have the most accurate and reliable guidance completed with source references. In each of these scenarios, CPA Pilot not only provides immediate answers, but also offers the option to cross-reference different responses. This ensures that you get a comprehensive understanding of the tax laws in question. For complex scenarios, it's a good practice to explore all the resources provided by the AI tool to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the information. To get the most out of CPA Pilot, remember these key tips. Be specific with your queries. Use relevant keywords to guide the AI. Always review citations provided by the AI to ensure accuracy. Don't hesitate to refine your queries for better results. Make use of the suggested prompts to explore related queries or refine your questions. Utilize the History and Favorites feature to track and save important responses. And most importantly, avoid inputting any personally identifiable information to protect client data. And that's a wrap. By integrating CPA Pilot into your daily workflow, you'll enhance your efficiency, accuracy, and compliance with tax laws. Whether you're dealing with simple queries or complex tax scenarios, CPA Pilot is here to assist. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.